Roman. Let's see. Ready? Right. Wait. Ready?
Yep.
Begin.
All right. Rain clouds, rain drain, rainstorm. God, that's a complicated one. To be fair, they all are. Huh. I already said storm, clouds, drain. God, those are the only things I can think of. Thank you.
Okay.
All right.
You got the cloud and the storm. Good job.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
So the other D is rain dance, and then raindrop, rainfall, raincoat, and rainbow.
Oh,
so
God.
you can talk about any of those words. And whenever you're ready, Trevor is ready to time you.
All right. Well, I'm ready. And it really is hard to come up with words that go well with rain just because normally we don't get any rain. Once you started telling me the words, all the other 7 words, I was like, how could I not even think about it? It's so obvious. Raindrops instead of rain train. Obviously, since we don't really have much rain, we normally don't deal with raindrops. We normally deal with rain drain, with the licensing, with the construction, and all the other tenacity. So it really is something interesting. Well, obviously, I do miss rain, and I really hope we're gonna have more rain soon because we kind of need it. Even though all of our wildfires are gone now, still, it's pretty refreshing before going into the summer to get some rain, get refreshments, and enjoy the rain. Thank you.
Thank you, Roman.